Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about methods, métodos in Spanish. So, please, before we start, please don't forget, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady, as always, right? Okay, so we're going to be creating an application that will store information about a band and also its musician. We'll announce the band, announce the musician, but we're going to be announcing just the band. Okay. So at this level, we're going to be collecting the band's name and we're going to be announcing the band back. So the program will ask the user the name of your band, any name of the band. The user will type the name and the application will respond with a welcome message, right? So that's what we're going to be doing. So now the method, we're going to create a method that we're going to be passing some parameters, but as we do it, we're going to be talking about. So okay, let's just do a console dot write line. Let's do that. Okay, cool, semicolon right here. We are going to type what we want to ask the application, what the application needs from the user. So we're going to say the following right here. Enter the name of your band. Enter the name of your band, right? Or whatever. You can just do whatever one you wanna do in here. Enter the name of your band. Enter the name of your favorite sport team or whatever. And then right here we're going to do a string type with the name equals console read line. So it's going to store the answer on the name variable right here. Whatever the customer types, it will be storing right there. Now, now we're going to create our method, but this method will return nothing. So we're going to do a void, and then we're going to say announce band, and right here we're going to pass some parameters. So actually we're going to be just one parameters. Also you can just say the name of the musician, but we're going to do just the name of the band. So we're going to say string and we're going to say band name. Okay, open curly brackets, and then right here inside here we're going to do a statement. Okay, we're going to do a return statement. So for that void, console that right line, and right here we're going to say welcome the message. Concatenate welcome band name, which is right there, and then we're going to say to the stage. Okay, and now we're going to call this method right here. We're going to say announce. What is this? It doesn't show me. What the heck? And now announce band semicolon, and right here we're going to pass the argument. So we're going to say name, which means wherever the customer enters This is the application is requesting this from the customer. Customer is going to enter the name of the band. It's going to be stored in the string variable name, and then it's going to go through our method. We enters, and then we'll just return back that message right here. I mean, it's not returning anything, but it will just come the string return welcome, whatever the band name it is. So let's run the program. So I'm gonna take a second, and almost there. And okay, enter the name of your band. So let's just put, oh man, what's the name of my band? I don't even know any band right now. There is a band in Peru that is called, oh man, I didn't remember any band. So let's just put U2. U2 is, I like U2. Welcome U2 to the stage. So let's do another name. Let's do, I think NSYNC was good. The Backstreet Boys. The back. Yeah, I'm very old. The back street. The Backstreet Boys. That's what they call it? The Backstreet Boys. Something like that. Welcome to the Backstreet Boys to the stage, right? So that worked. So our application is working as intended. Now let's create. Let's comment this out. Yo, let's. Oh what? No, I don't. I don't want this. Yeah, let's go. You know what? Let's just keep it. Let's keep it right there. So we're going to go to the next one. Let's do console right lane. Okay, let's just do this. Bam, 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 bam. Next line. So that way we can be okay on this one. So we're going to create another application right here, bro. Let's going to be a wage application. Wage, as they call it, wage. Yeah, wage. Wage application. It's kind of like the same concept of what we're looking over here. Same. This is a simple concept right here, and we're going to do the same thing over here. So right here we're going to say, so let's copy this part right here, pan. Copy that line of code, that block of code, boom, and then we're going to say the following. Enter the amount you get paid a month. That's what we're going to say. Enter the amount you get paid a month or every month or whatever, and then we're going to change the type. Variable right here is going to be an int, and then we're going to say amount right here, amount, and right here we are going to, we might need that, but we're going to say convert to is that int, convert to, yeah, it's to int 32. Okay, that looks like it fixed it. Pan. Okay, let's copy this part right here. Control C, Control V, and then the next question, enter how many months. Enter how many months do you work? And right here we're going to say month. same thing right here. So we got those inputs right here. Now let's create our um, our method. We're going to say void, and we're going to say calculate yearly wage, and we're going to pass a couple parameters right here: monthly wage, comma, that's point. We're going to say another int, and then we're going to say yearly wage. Yeah, you're right, yearly wage. I like that. I want to do right here, and we're going to say console, a statement right here, console the right line. Well, we don't need that. It was just point. And right here we're going to do a string interpolation, which is the dollar sign, double mark, double quotation, and then here we're going to do the message yearly wage, column, and then open curly brackets, and then here we're going to say monthly wage times, because we're going to be multiplying by the number exceptions. No, we're going to be, oh, yearly wage. Yeah, is I spell yearly? Is that what I did? Yearly. Cool. So now we gotta call the method right here. We're going to say calculate yearly wage, and then right here inside we're going to pass a month, because that's going to be stored here, comma, and then month. Okay, so you know what, just for the program to run really smooth, let's just comment this out right here. Let's see, let's run both of them. Come on, enter the name you ban, U2 pan. Okay, now next one, enter the amount you get paid a month. So let's pretend that you get paid. How much you get paid, dude? A month. Let's pretend you make $4,000 a month, and then it says enter how many months. 12 months. You work every single month. 12 months. How much is going to give me? A year. This is going to give you your year salary. Yearly wage is $48,000. Man, what the heck? Is that how much you can make? Oh man. What about if you make 5,000 bucks a month? That'd be nice. 5,000. Enter the name of your band. Okay, let's put. Oh, what is the name? Let's put Peso Pluma. Peso Pluma. Pan. Welcome Peso Pluma to the stage. Okay. Enter the amount you get paid a month. Let's just do 5,000 bucks. How many months? 12 months. Oh wow. With $5,000 a month, you make $60,000. Oh man, that's not too bad. I mean, it's still just a little, but it's better. But anyway, so that's the whole application. How we create a method. How do we call the method? We use parameters, and then we pass on arguments, and then we get some return statements. Yeah. So all right, so hopefully this video helped you out. So we are going to talk in the next. Have a good night, and I will see you. Bye.